that, guys?
I was waiting for this thing to come today, man.
It is Yoshimura.
Shut up! I'm not talking to you.
Yoshimura.
Whoa, this. Well, anyways. Good day, everybody. Welcome back to another upload of Its Dyer thing. Rob here. Thank you very much for tuning in. Yes, I'm broadcasting from my home because it is now officially no longer riding season because we're getting into the middle of winter, boring, crappy season. So, what is this? This is a Yoshimura. It is a slip-on exhaust for my Ténéré 700. Like, it doesn't get any more real than this. Like this, you can see this is not staged. This is absolutely 100% pure, authentic upload. That was the Purolator guy. He just dropped this off because I ordered this up through Parts Canada, right? So these are one of our suppliers that we deal with. So I was kind of like really hesitant. I was looking at all the different kinds of exhausts out there. I mean, I was looking at the Acropovic. And then the Dominators, and then there's quite a few other different exhausts, even from, you know, just no branded name exhausts. And I've been running Yoshimura pipes a lot on many of my bikes in the past. Those ones were branded Yoshimura with Yamaha, and unfortunately this year Yamaha didn't sign on an agreement for Yoshimura on the Ténéré 700. However, I was lucky enough that I came across, there was only two here in Canada from Parts Canada for the Ténéré 700. One guy, I don't know who it is, some dealer, some guy out somewhere in Canada right now also has one, and I have the other one here. So they have a couple of different models out there. They have the titanium with the stainless steel and carbon tip. This one here is the aluminum with the stainless steel and the carbon tip. Let's get this thing opened up. Let's check this thing out. And I am like so super stoked, right? We're not disclosing any pricing because it is bloody expensive. It is a slip-on, so you know what? It doesn't matter. You know what? It's only money. We can't bring it with us. We might as well just enjoy and have fun. Shut up! My moment. It's not your moment. Damn birds. So here we go. Woo! So anyways, here we go. So let's start off with this, and again, like it's true unboxing with you guys. So really, really excited. I get a whole lot of Yoshimura stickers. I love it, and yes, I can't. It's hard for me to say Yoshimura without it. Is that being profiling? I don't know. Racial profiling? No, it's not racial profiling. Is it being? No, whatever. I don't know. I'm having fun, so it doesn't matter. You know what? Don't hate on me. All right. So you get an exhaust plug, which is really cool, actually. You know, that's really smart. These actually should be used more often, even on the stock exhaust and stuff like that. When you're washing out and you're power washing your bike, you know how much water, you got to be really careful not to get it in there anyway. So that is really cool. That's kind of like a bonus feature from Yoshimura to actually add that on. That's cool. I really, really like that. Okay, so came with a plug, which is super cool. It came with the Yoshimura stickers. Can never have enough of those stickers. We have a heat shield here with I would presume that's the lettering and the wording for Yoshimura, or you know, It's a Dyer thing. Yeah, that's it. It's a Dyer thing. So then we got the spring clips here. You got the spring clip tool. So yeah, there's the springs. There's the clamp, and then the two fasteners. Again, this is a specific bolt-on kit for the Ténéré 700, right? So, and I would presume this is our warranty card and just the registration and what it may be. Here's the extension. So basically this is what's coming off of the stock exhaust onto the connection for the actual slip-on itself. Like, ooh, it's cold. Like, it's freezing cold, man. Okay, so that's what those two fasteners were for. It's the protector guard there, the heat shield, right? So basically this comes off of the stock exhaust and then the slip-on goes onto there. So that's also included. And then here is the pièce de résistance. the pièce de résistance. It is the actual slip-on. And here, I got a knife. Let's check this out. Like I'm totally stoked. Like I was watching some videos and listening to the sound clips and stuff like that. And that's kind of what got me mostly onto it. I've seen the Akropovic one because Yamaha did offer 2 of those ones in the Europe. However, those ones you cannot. The baffle it is not removable baffle, right? Whereas the Yoshimura one does have a removable baffle. So that was, for me, I think the most important thing. Will I be running it without the baffle? Hell yeah! I listened to a couple of the soundtracks with the baffle in, and it's don't get me wrong, it's like so super nice. Because I mean it's really much louder than the stock one, but when the guy took the baffle out and then they ran it again, it was like just badass. So it is a nice matte carbon finish, which is so cool. Riveted front and riveted back, so it's not removable unless you actually physically drill out the rivets and stuff like that. You got the rubber plug here down at the bottom, and then that's where this whole baffle piece comes out. Where's the baffle piece? Or is that you have to buy that separately maybe? Because you can clearly see there's no sound dampener in there. There's no baffle in there. So maybe it doesn't come with a baffle, and you would have to buy that separately. So it doesn't matter because I wouldn't use it anyway. So I'm gonna have to look into that. Interesting. So maybe that's an add-on that you would have to get. So. Anyways, there you go. So this is specifically the RS-12 ADV, so the Adventure Series for the Ténéré 700 with the specific mounting bracket. So this is exactly, you know, a direct model specific bolt-on for the Ténéré. Oh, it's quite heavy actually. I'm surprised on how heavy it is, but again, I haven't taken the stock one off either. So comparing this one to the stock one, we'll have to do that once we get it on there. But it is absolutely gorgeous, man. It is just so sexy. Yoshimura! So, yeah, I like it. I'm so happy. Well worth the money. And now I'm just looking forward to getting back out there on the riding season. Hopefully that will come soon enough. Unfortunately, you know, we do have like maybe 4 months of this winter months until we can get back out there and start enjoying it. But until then, guys, lots more to come, lots more to check out, a couple of unboxing stuff, and then we'll kind of go through. There's some suspension mods. I'm going to show you how to actually do a suspension compress on the rear shock and swap out the spring here from home. Pretty much anybody can do it with a jack, as long as you got like a car jack. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Kind of sounds sketchy, but don't worry, I'll walk you through that. And then other than that, we got a couple of other things that we're going to be taking care of. The WR is going up to Chrisland or Cooperland. I'm going to get that one stripped right down and completely rebuilt up. So there'll be a couple of footages of that. There'll be a couple of videos on how that's going along. And then, yeah, so then from there, we'll almost get back into the riding season. So thank you very much for tuning in. Thank you very much for following along. Again, if you have any comments, questions, suggestions, do let me know. Again, be safe, have fun, be good. If you are riding out there, again, I'm totally jelly on that one. So don't forget, guys, keep it covered. All right, cheers. Happy holidays to you all. Again, thank you very much for all your support this year. It's been absolutely fantastic. We'll catch you before the end of the year. All right. Yoshimura. Oh, yeah. Bye-bye.